Welcome back to Yandinnas Yummies. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make homemade marshmallow fondant with only 3 ingredients. First of all, we need to weigh out our marshmallows. We're going to be using 240 grams and 4 cups of icing sugar. Sift all your icing sugar and then set it aside. Next, I want you to grab a small saucepan, put a little bit of water in it, bring the water up to simmering, and then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Melt your marshmallows, stirring constantly. Once your marshmallows are all melted, then pull it off the stove and tip it into an electric mixer. We're going to add 3/4 of the powdered sugar at first. Now I want you to mix that until it is well combined. Now I want you to add in the rest of your powdered sugar. Mix again until it is all blended together. Once your batter is well mixed, we need to tip it onto our surface. But first of all, we need to coat the surface in some flavourless oil. Here I just use some vegetable oil, but you can use canola oil or sunflower oil, whichever one that you please. Now you need to knead your dough for approximately 6 to 7 minutes until it is starting to look like fondant. Now, if your fondant is a little too sticky and moist, just add a little bit more icing sugar. And if your fondant is looking a little too dry, just add a little bit more water, about half a tablespoon at a time, until you get the right consistency. And there you go, it's all finished. Now, we need to store our fondant. So to store the fondant, I want you to coat the fondant in a little bit of oil and pull out some cling wrap and then wrap it up nice and tight, making sure that there is no air at all. Now wrap it, not just once, but at least twice or 3 times, and then put it inside a clip seal bag, squeezing out all the air. And there you have it, some homemade marshmallow fondant. Thanks for watching Yandinnas Yummies. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you never miss another one of my videos. Goodbye.